A good Tuesday morning and happy election day, Quad Cities. Thanks for logging on to check your accurate forecast here as you head to the polls today. Beautiful day, by the way, to do that. We will see some sunshine and clouds mixed. We're going up to 62 for a high this afternoon, but something much warmer coming in for Wednesday and Thursday. So once again, we're breaking down those record highs because I think we're either going to tie one and probably break another. That's the way it looks right now. So tomorrow, 76 the forecast. That's within a degree of the record high of 77. Easily on Thursday, though, this is the day where we're likely going to break that record. I'm going with 77 for a high, 74 the record set back 2 years ago in 2020. So our theme for today, slightly warmer, a little more cloud cover by this afternoon. We'll go up to 62. Even more clouds will fill in tonight. And because of those clouds, look what overnight lows do. They only drop to about 50. So the fact that you've got sun, south winds tomorrow, and such a warm start, that's exactly what's going to push us up into those mid-70s for your Wednesday. We're still on track to see a big temperature drop by the weekend, and in that transition could be a couple of gusty thunderstorms. This is for Thursday evening. If you're here west of the Mississippi River on the Iowa side, that's where we have the best potential to see a couple of isolated severe storms, more widespread strong to severe storms for much of central Iowa Thursday evening. Let's put future track into motion. There you see your time there in the upper right-hand corner. Showers and storms working into the Quad Cities right about 7 o'clock Thursday evening. This is a very similar setup to what we had this weekend, by the way, where you're going to get that good rush of wind on the order of about 60 miles an hour or so. So heads up. If you still got some of those outdoor decorations, you're going to need to secure those before this line of storms comes in Thursday evening. And there you see the timing again continuing for be later in the evening. Look at this. You're even seeing some snow pop up on the backside of that. May see a couple of snowflakes here first thing Friday morning, especially right after midnight. Not going to accumulate, though. We're going to put the accumulating snow well northwest of us. But this right here is what is going to lead to a very cold weekend. Some of the most intense Arctic air that we have seen so far this fall season still on track for the weekend itself. And it will be intensified again by Tropical Storm Nicole. Subtropical right now, but it is expected to rapidly intensify in the next 36 hours. That'll perhaps get it up to a Category 2 storm. National Hurricane Center is being a little conservative with the forecast still, but a Category 2 is certainly possible before it makes landfall on the east coast of Florida by Thursday. And then that storm will pivot and turn right back out to sea by the upcoming weekend. But it is again going to intensify the cold. Look at it coming in for the weekend. Very chilly for Veterans Day. Feels like temperatures throughout the day in the teens and 20s. By the time we get to Saturday night, Sunday morning, feels like temperatures in the single digits above zero, and that will continue through at least Monday morning of next week.